हाय गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। कैसे हैं आप लोग? गाइस, आज हम इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे, जैसा कि आप जानते होंगे कि जावास्क्रिप्ट क्या है। तो इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे, वी विल नो दैट व्हाट इज जावास्क्रिप्ट, व्हाई द पीपल आल्सो यूजिंग द जावास्क्रिप्ट इन देयर वेबसाइट, and which website element also generated by the JavaScript which we can see in the website, and why the Google bot not index your JavaScript based content. At last we will discuss what is the best way how we can present our JavaScript based content to the Google bot. So let's discuss from point 1. We will discuss about what is JavaScript and what is the use of JavaScript. So in simple language we can say that JavaScript is a simple, or you can say that programming language that run on the browser, or that's why the people also say JavaScript is a client side rendering, a client side script. Secondly, why the people also using the JavaScript in their website? The people also use JavaScript in their website to make their website dynamic and interactive. And thirdly, we will discuss about which website element also generated by the JavaScript, and lots of element which we are seeing in our website, that is pagination, internal linking, top product pages, review and content. And then why the Google bot not index your JavaScript based content? The Google bot not index your JavaScript based content. So first of all we will discuss the main reason is that the complexity of JavaScript based content. Secondly, it also has a rendering issue. Third, the Google bot not act like the real browser. And fourth, it also faces a low quality issue while calling your JavaScript based content. And fifth, sometimes Google bot skip the JavaScript based file. So all these reasons the Google bot not index your JavaScript based content. And last point, we will also discuss the best way how we can present our JavaScript based content to the Google bot. So here we will discuss about the two methods, the dynamic client side rendering and the server side rendering. The server side rendering, the people, as we study a lots of content, we find that lots of people also recommend the server side rendering. Basically server side rendering, what is server side rendering? The server side rendering where the script or JavaScript based content run on the server. And in another method we will see in the client side rendering where the JavaScript based content also run on the browser. So if we go to the server side rendering, where the Google bot receive the updated HTML file from the server, directly from the server in the initial load, that present the content to your web pages. That's why the people also recommend the server side rendering. And if you go to the client side rendering, where the Google bot receive the blank HTML page from the browser where the JavaScript based content is running, then JavaScript receive the request the JavaScript based content, your simple HTML file from the server, then is shown to the user. So in second method you see that it also take a very long time. Got it? That's why people are also not recommending the client side rendering. So I will request that whose people planning to make their website in the JavaScript programming, or you can say if you are presenting a JavaScript based content to the Google bot, so I would recommend that you should use the server side rendering. It is the best method for presenting your JavaScript based content to the Google bot. So guys, if you like my video, so please like, comment and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because you will aware about the trending topic in digital marketing, or you can say what is going in digital marketing, as well as we will also share all the information related to Google algorithm or Google update, with the Google also implemented in the weekly basis, monthly basis, daily basis and the yearly basis. So all this video which I am sharing in YouTube, it will be useful for all those people who are currently working in the digital marketing industry. So please, you can also share with your friends, among your friends who is also working as a senior digital marketing or the online marketing industry. So please like, comment and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.